Yo, what's going on guys, and welcome back to a different kind of video here today. I'm going to do one of these probably every year. It's kind of like a recap video of my year, my progression through YouTube. It's kind of like just like a nice little tracking video for me and my kind of progress for the year and things as far as YouTube and things go. So if you do enjoy this one at all, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, just stick around if you want to have a chat and listen to me have a chat, I suppose. And yeah. As you guys can see, we are currently at 1.174 thousand subscribers. That is just crazy. I don't know why I said it like that. It's 1,740 subscribers. It kind of sounds a little bit better. But yeah, that's just absolutely insane. This past month has been absolutely ridiculous. I think if we come over here to this one here, so this is my posted on the 31st of December 2019. I had 385 subs. Yeah, that's right. This year we have almost gotten, well, we could definitely got over 1,000 subs, but yeah, this is absolutely crazy. There's some keynotes today just for me. Like I hit 500 subscribers on the 11th of October. Another month after that, we just hit 700, and then from there we just pretty much instantly, like after that month, like the 14th of December, we hit 1,000 subscribers, and then a week after that we hit 1.5k, and it's just absolutely ridiculous. Like these videos have just absolutely blown up. As you guys can see, they're really pushing shorts at the moment, so if you're a content creator, I highly suggest doing it. It's a great way to reach out to new people. I really do. Like this video here is currently going insane. It's at 10k at the moment, but I think it's actually over that, and yeah, it's just absolutely insane. If you guys, you should definitely check that out if you haven't already. But yeah, as you can see here, we're at 1,074 subscribers. This video is still blowing up a little bit. Total subscribers, we've almost gained 1,300 subscribers this year. It took me like 7 years to get 300 subscribers. It's just absolutely ridiculous. I just can't believe how quickly it's going up, and I really do appreciate all you guys for stopping by and enjoying these videos. Hopefully, you do let me know down any feedback. Leave it down in the comments before, and I'll be sure to try and improve each and every video for you guys, and hopefully make 2021 an even bigger and better year. But I thought we could just scroll through and have a look at some of our videos. This is our big 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which will be ending shortly. I know a lot of people keep asking me in the comments like when's it ending, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's going to be drawn the first week of January, so give me a couple of days to get that one sorted, and it will be out. I'll probably just pin the comment or whoever won and stuff like that, so yeah, there probably won't be a video on it, just to let you guys all know that. But yeah, we've got a couple of new upgrades this year as far as microphones goes. I'm still getting used to it, still sorting things out with it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I decided to place 1,000 blocks for my subscribers. That was pretty fun. We should try and do that again at 10,000k or something, build something insane. That would be really fun. But yeah, it's been pretty much a year of Minecraft, really. We haven't done too much else. Like I'm just really still enjoying it. Like even the last few days, I've just been playing it non-stop. It's just insane fun. I really enjoy the game. As you guys can see here, we did a little bit of Ark. I kind of just stopped doing that. I don't really know why. I just kind of haven't really gotten back into the world and played anything yet, but I really do enjoy that game. So we might have to come back to that at some point too next year. We did play a little bit of Fall Guys. That was a fun game. Can't complain with anything there. We had our 500 sub giveaway just not that long ago. Like it was within 2 months. Yeah, just under 2 months I reckon we hit that 500 with that extra 500 subs, which is insane. We did a few like little tutorials here and there that have kind of tracked really well as far as views goes for me anyway. We did do a few like ultimate survival bases. I think I might do a few of those. They're really fun to build, and you can just work on it in creative, and just get through those. We did start Voidcraft this year. I forgot about that. I think it was in February this year, correct? I think it was something like that, January, February, or March maybe. I think it was March or April. I don't know now. Maybe March or April, I'm thinking. But yeah, it's been an insane year in Voidcraft. I'm going to be doing like 1 year server tour and things once we get to that point. But it's not a couple of months away anyway, so we don't need to worry about that too far. We did play some Destiny for a little bit on the channel. Didn't really do too well on here. I didn't really think it would. The game's pretty dead, so yeah, that's alright. I did a little setup tour as well. I transformed my old stuff into my new stuff. I've still got some new gear and stuff, so we might have to do a new one of those as well. I bought my bike this year too. I completely forgot about that. You guys haven't seen this video, it's pretty fun. I like it anyways. It's a nice little tour of the Harley and things that I bought this year. I still have it. I still ride it every day. I love it. It's good fun. So we also did some Clash of the Clans stuff. That's kind of wrapping up at the start of the year. I just kind of like died off. I didn't really start enjoying the game that much anymore. It's kind of like I had to not really invest too much time, but like I couldn't really do too much more. Like as well I could. There's a lot of things you could do in the game, but yeah. Anyways, I don't know. I just wasn't really enjoying it anyways, so I decided to stop that one there, and that's pretty much it. Just there until the recap. So yeah, it's just been a crazy year. I don't know. I just kind of do this update for myself. We do need to start with a new branding though, so give me 2 seconds and we'll switch over to that. And boom, there we go. Let me know what you guys think down below. I did design it myself. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I did do a degree in, I got a bachelor in graphic design. I went in internship, didn't really enjoy it. Anyways, now we're here. So I did design this myself. I don't know, I was really vibing orange at the moment, so we just went with that. And I did go ahead and change my Twitter up as well. If you guys didn't know, I have a Twitter and Instagram and all that stuff. You can follow me. You can find always the links down below. And yeah, that's pretty much all of that plug. But yeah, this has been an absolute insane year. Thank you all so much for all the support and continued support and all that good stuff. So hopefully we can make 2021 a better year, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.